Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller if it won't connect to your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So are you having problems connecting your PlayStation 4 controller to your PlayStation? Well, this is very easy to do. So let's go ahead and reconnect my PlayStation 4 controller right now. So I'm going to be using a USB to micro USB cable right here, and this is most commonly found with a little bit older smartphones. So let's go ahead and plug this in directly to the PlayStation 4 itself. And one thing I want to note is sometimes you won't connect to your PlayStation 4 because your battery is literally dead. So my light just flashes real quick like that. So I need to charge my controller, and the quickest way to reconnect is by using this cable. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Now I have my PlayStation 4 on. What we want to do is completely hard reset our PlayStation 4. So to do this, hold down the power button. You're going to hear one beep, then about 5 to 6 seconds later you're going to hear another beep. So once you hear that second beep, your PlayStation 4 will start shutting down. So there we go, the second beep, and my PlayStation 4 is now shutting down and it's completely shut down. You can see there is no light on the light bar right here. So now that the PlayStation 4 is completely shut down, let's pull it out here and let's locate the power cord on the back, and we're going to completely hard reset. This is what it's called. So let's take out the power cord from the back and we're going to leave it unplugged for approximately 30 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's been about 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and replug it back in. Alright, so the cord is a little bit hard to unplug, so just be very careful. Sometimes I yank it a little bit too hard and my console kind of goes flying back a little bit. So just make sure you got a good grip on it. And let's go ahead and try to start up my PlayStation 4 now with my controller. So this cable is very important because it will sync to your PlayStation 4 like instantly. So make sure you have that and it's connected. If you do over the wireless way, sometimes it won't find the PlayStation 4 and it'll just keep trying to sync. So with this cord, it will sync like right away. Let's press the PlayStation button. There we go. Our controller is connected. My PlayStation 4 is turning on. Go ahead and try this out yourself, and you'll be on your way to playing your PlayStation 4 once again. If this video helped you out, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios.